So, as a parent, how can your child will be doing something wrong? Maybe in school, your child will be misbehaving, doing something wrong to other kids. And other kids reported him, and you as a mother, instead of you to reason or see wrong with what your child is doing, you're there defending him or her. It was both other kids, make them uncomfortable. Yet you see no reason to caution, to talk to your kids or whatever. You still have the mind, the guts to defend that kind of a child. Are you doing him a favor? Are you doing him a favor? Is that how to train up a child? What do you expect from that kind of a child when he grows up? Yes. Do you expect something good to come out from that kind of a baby? Something good or bad? Where you as a mother see no reason, you see no wrong in whatsoever your child is doing in school, buzzing other kids, making them uncomfortable. You see no reason. Instead of you as a mother to train up your child in such a way that he will benefit something good from in future, you thereby defending him, that your child is not a bad child, that is not doing any wrong to other kids, that is not making them uncomfortable. Are you doing that kind of a baby a favor or what? Because I don't know. I'm just trying to know. Are you sure something good will come out from that kind of a child when he grows up? As a mother, you must both other parents because of your child, because of his or her attitude towards other children. You don't want to listen to anybody. You don't want to take correction, even to correct your child. No. What kind of a mother are you? And what kind of training are you giving to your child? So I want to know. You give me your comments.